Hey Google, navigate to Ducati Delhi. So guys, another very important day. आज बहुत ही important दिन है मेरे लिए. अभी हम जा रहे हैं नारायणा, which has become the hub of all the superbike showrooms mostly. तो वहाँ पे सारे superbike showrooms दिल्ली में आपको mostly मिल जाएंगे. कावासाकी, डुकाटी है वहाँ पे, साथ हैं, सुजुकी है. ये जो मैं बाइक ले रहा हूँ आपको पता चल गया होगा एक डुकाटी है. तो फैमिली और डुकाटी मेरे लिए 2015-16 तक तो ये फैमिली ही रही है. जिसे कहते हैं वंस अ डुकाटिस्टा ऑलवेज अ डुकाटिस्टा. मतलब जितनी मैंने डुकाटी चलाई है उस वक्त तक मुझे नहीं लगता कि इंडिया में किसी ने इतनी डुकाटी चलाई होगी. तो उसका एक वीडियो है, उसका मैं लिंक दे दूंगा डिस्क्रिप्शन में, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ. मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि मैं इंडिया में डुकाटी लूँगा, बिकॉज एक तो बहुत महंगी आती हैं डुकाटीज़, बहुत ज़्यादा महंगी, इट्स वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. और जब आप वो देखोगे बाइक अभी, तो मैं आपको समझाऊंगा कि मैंने वैसे उस लिवरी में, उस कलर में, उस रैप में मैंने उसको क्यों करा है. जो मैं डुकाटी अभी लेने जा रहा हूँ वैसे भी वो मल्टीपर्पज़ है. मतलब वो हम रेसिंग ट्रैक पे भी ले आ सकते हैं, रोड पे भी चला सकते हैं. 1.5 महीने पहले मेरा ACL का ऑपरेशन हुआ था, विच इज़ आपको नी ऑपरेशन लिगामेंट. ACL टीयर हो गया था मेरा. सो उसके ऊपर भी एक वीडियो, शायद वो डॉक्टर आएंगे जिन्होंने मेरा ऑपरेशन करा था, वो आज आएंगे. ही इज़ ऑल्सो बाइकर. होपफुली अभी कोविड कम होगा एंड डबल वैक्सीनेशन ये सब लोगों को अलाउ करा जाएगा इंडिया के बाहर जाना. तो इंडिया के बाहर राइड्स वापस रिज्यूम होंगी, जिस पे ब्रेक लग गया था 2020 में. लेट्स गो ओवर देयर. देयर विल बी अ फ्यू पीपल दैट हैव इनवाइटेड that will be there. And तो चलिए अभी आने वाला है डुकाटी दिल्ली शोरूम एंड आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू शो यू गाइज एंड few people will be coming. So let's go. Oh guys, so I've reached here finally, Ducati Delhi. So today is the big day, another big day, and the bike standing inside. But there is one more thing which is very interesting. I'll show you that in a while. So what I wanted to show you is this, that there is a photo exhibition which is going on here at the Ducati showroom, and there are around 80 pictures that I have taken and a few of mine from around the world. And here you can see. So basically I'll be making a separate video of my 10-15 choicest, the best Ducati photos with the best memories that I've taken so far. Let us actually go inside and look at the bike, which is shrouded in a beautiful satin black cloth. और गाइस, सो फर्स्ट गाय जो यहाँ पे आए हैं सुबह सुबह, एज ऑलवेज पंक्चुअल एज द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इन दिल्ली. ही इज़ द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स विज दैट आई हैव नोन फॉर 21 years, रमनदीप. एंड ही इज़ वेरी इंस्ट्रूमेंटल इन मेकिंग दिस, जो हमने अभी फास्टेस्ट साइबर अपाची गेमिंग रिग बनाया है. सो ऑल द मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टफ लाइक जो विंग्स खुलते हैं इसमें एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स, ही हैज़ इम्प्लीमेंटेड दैट. Which bike do you think this is?
It must be something that you really wanted for a long time, because you are very picky about things. Looks like the devil, I don't know.
इसमें जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स भरे हुए हैं, those are MotoGP level electronics.
Looking at the way things are going, we'll have a lot of electric bikes in the future. And electric bikes can't be without electronics. They can't be without being smart. So I see a lot of AI coming into biking where, it'll be able to make out if you're about to fall, or if you're accelerating too much, or if you're not paying attention on the road. That is something which I see will show up on the bikes in the future.
But I think you're waiting for this, right?
I am waiting for this, yes.
This gentleman which is standing besides me, I feel very privileged that he's here. Thank you so much, sir, for coming.
Thank you, Sonny.
He's Mr. Deepak Gupta, if you don't know him yet, the mountain man. One of the official Odysseys में he was one of the 3 riders. जो ये सब कर रहे हैं इस एज में, और जो कर चुके हैं, it is very difficult because to maintain that level of fitness, to do 51,000 kilometers from the northernmost point of North America to the southernmost point of South America.
There is only one life, I believe. और ये सबको मैं कहना चाहूँगा, बजाय इसके कि जब आप दुनिया छोड़ के जा रहे हो तब आप रिपेंट करें कि मैंने ये करना था, ये नहीं करा. सेट योर गोल्स, सेट योर टारगेट कि मुझे इस टाइम के बाद मुझे ये अपना पैशन फॉलो करना है.
आपको क्या लगता है कौन सी बाइक है?
डुकाटी में तो है ही,
Ducati तो है,
ऑब्वियसली डुकाटी
Ducati तो
है
है,
ही. बट मेरे ख्याल से दिस इज अ स्ट्रीट फाइटर.
अच्छा ठीक है. थैंक यू सो मच सर फॉर
Thank you.
कमिंग.
My best wishes and congratulations, and keep on motivating the new generation of motorcycling. XBHP is one such forum which has been there for the last 18 years now, and I wish them all the best in the coming years as well.
Here with me, another of my inspirations, idol. In fact, the first superbike that I ever saw and I owned was in his garage here in Delhi. He's Dr. Arun Thareja, also known as Dr. Speed, and I met him around for the first time, sir, 2001, 2002.
I guess so, yes.
What do you think about Ducatis and the whole culture? You know, what does Ducati actually mean to you?
I mean, I am a superbike lover, so I mean, every brand I love, so including Ducati. So that's the basic nature. Superbike lover. So Ducatis are unique in their own way, as you know. They are power plants. I mean, they recently they have come over to the V4, but as you know, the L twins, what a torquey engine they have built. It's a work of art. Every small component is as if some technician has sat over it, spent hours designing it, creating it, and then they have finally given it to the public. It's actually a work of art. These Italians,
Like a
how
painting.
it's absolutely like that, a Picasso or something like that. So Ducatis are like that. They're sheer beautifully, they're beautiful to look at. They are amazingly fast. For example, the V4 power plant in any kind of a model, whether it's the Panigale or the Multistrada, what a fantastic machine.
So there you have it, guys. I think I've made the right choice. I mean, this is not the first time I'm owning a Ducati, but
Yeah.
for that you can see my other video which I uploaded a couple of days ago. So thank you so much, sir. I'm looking forward to riding
Always
with you
a pleasure.
on this.
Always a pleasure.
Just
And-
one thing. Which bike do you think this is? Just this is a random guess.
This is a Panigale V4.
Panigale before. Okay, we'll see about that in a short while. Thank you so much, sir, for coming here. Thank you.
Thank you.
Guys, अभी ये जो खड़े हैं मेरे साथ, he is Dr. Manu Bora.
Hello.
And he is a person who had operated on me not too long ago, just 1.5 months ago on my ACL. So he's like God for me. So I just want to thank you first for operating on me.
And best of luck for your new bike.
मैं मतलब
आज
अभी-
चलाने वाले हो गया? Within just 5 weeks, right?
मैं थोड़ा सा मैं
drive
चलाऊंगा,
कर-
चलाने की कोशिश करूंगा. इसमें एक्चुअली पैर जो है काफ़ी मोड़ना पड़ता है.
हाँ.
So
5 weeks
basic-
after internal brace surgery, yes, bike can.
So he is an ACL expert. मैं इनके साथ एक सेपरेट वीडियो करूंगा talking about ACL injuries and why a lot of people should not ignore their knee. Partial ACL rupture के साथ हम करते हैं. Let's unveil it shortly. 20 साल की उम्र में तीसरी सुपर बाइक है ना तुम्हारी ये? दूसरी सुपर बाइक है. 20 साल की उम्र में तो मैं सुपर बाइक का मतलब ही नहीं मालूम था मुझे. But anyway, so this is how India is growing, and you know, in both in terms of motorcycling and everything you can dream of.
ये मेरे को एक क्वेश्चन पहले भी था जब हम किसकी भूसा की डिलीवरी ले रहे थे और रॉकेट के टाइम पे मैंने ये पूछा था व्हाट्स नेक्स्ट.
लॉजिकली मैंने ये वाली बाइक ये डुकाटी मैंने क्यों चूज करी.
ठीक है.
या एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ. लाइक somebody asked me in Ducati only, why didn't you get the Diavel? Why did you go for the Rocket 3?
हाँ हाँ.
मैंने बोला सर Rocket 3 is the world's largest capacity motorcycle. मेरे को वो चाहिए थी एंड वो एक बिल्कुल ही अलग मोटरसाइकिल है फर्स्ट जन रॉकेट 3 से. चलो एनीवे, थैंक्स फॉर कमिंग. Right now we have with us Mr. Ritin Bell, who's the Ducati Owners Club president of North India, and I am privileged to have you here. Thank you
Pleasure,
so much.
sir. Honor.
Grazie
Honor
mille,
for-
I can say like that.
Yes.
What's your relationship with Ducati?
I have always been very passionate about biking since my college days. I used to do biking, and then later on I took a sabbatical for a few years because of my own professional compulsions and various other things. And when I started super biking, the most passionate or the design oriented brand what I could think of was Ducati. They do a designing and then they do some kind of research into that so that it becomes more adaptable to the various environments and riding. Then the power, the technology what they were giving in, probably one of the most advanced in the industry. Have a V4S.
Nice.
And I also have a Desert Sled.
So there you go, guys. I mean, the more you say about Ducati, the less it is. And thank you so much for coming.
I'm a photographer by passion also, so I really appreciate the hard work which has gone into it and the effort which has gone into it.
थैंक यू सो मच,
Congratulations.
थैंक यू। मैं अभी जिनके साथ हूँ वो है राइडर्स प्लैनेट के करता धरता चंद्रेश एंड दिनेश। एंड राइडर्स प्लैनेट जो मज़े की बात है वो है बस इस शोरूम के जस्ट पीछे
जी।
सो दे हैव 2 आउटलेट्स हियर, बट थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग।
Thank you so much for inviting.
बाइक खरीदने के बाद जाना पड़ता है राइडर्स प्लैनेट हेलमेट खरीदने। और एक मज़े की बात है विद दिस बाइक अनवीलिंग, एक हेलमेट मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा जो कि प्रोडक्शन हेलमेट है विच इज़ गोइंग टू कम वेरी सून इन द मार्केट।
हम राइडर्स प्लैनेट पे कोशिश करते हैं कि उसकी राइड, उसकी नीड, उसकी साइज़ के अकॉर्डिंग उसको चीज़ सजेस्ट करें जिससे कि उसकी राइड कंफर्टेबल हो, वो सेफ रहे एंड अपनी राइड को एंजॉय कर सके। एंड
Thank
congratulations
you so much.
on the new purchase.
Thank you.
We hope you enjoy lots and lots of miles of riding.
Thank you so much.
And always stay safe.
थैंक यू,
Yeah.
थैंक्स। I want to thank everyone, including the guy who's made an amazing cold coffee over there. I love cold coffee. It's nothing better to start the day from. So anyway, now I want to unveil this, guys. So the reason for getting a Ducati is that I always loved Ducatis, but बीच में 5 साल के लिए मैंने Ducati चलाना छोड़ दिया था. So after you see this color and everything, I'll explain कि मैंने वो क्यों करा है. But I just want to say this is one of my dream motorcycles. So my question is, what bike do you think? जिसको पता है वो मत आंसर करना. Can anyone tell me? कुछ लोगों को पता होएगा. Why I have done this motorcycle in this theme? Very few people know that the Ducati designer who had made this, he has actually built the front of the motorcycle after the Joker. So officially Ducati has made this motorcycle after the Joker. If you go into the documentation online on their official website, you'll understand that ये जो आगे वाला front है, it resembles the Joker. That's why I chose to do this theme initially, and there are a few custom parts. For example, ये है, यहाँ पे wheel cover है, the side, frame cover here, the seat, and of course the livery. This is it. Thank you so much for sharing this moment.
Regarding the Joker theme, it is 10 out of 10. It actually makes you laugh because how amazingly creative it is done.
This is totally a surprise to me, and any day he's very creative guy. हर बार surprise करते हैं with different kind of projects. This time it's a Joker, and again very amazing.
And it looks fantastic, and I'm sure you're going to show us great content and great miles ahead.
You are going to show us more, even better builds.
I was not expecting something very ordinary, obviously from you. Definitely expecting something cool, but not this cool.
The combination of beauty and his personality is very very nice to see over here. It's
इंस्पिरेशन कहाँ से आती है? वो आती है यहाँ से. मार्वल बहुत ज़्यादा अप है, लेकिन डीसी को कोई ऐसे करता है. टू गेट द जोकर बहुत प्यारी लग रही है.
I really like the rapping or the Joker thing you have done with this. Congrats.